Hey guys, Teacher Cyndi here. I thought with Easter being so close that we should do a little bit of Easter things, right? Today I thought we'd mix a little bit of fun of dyeing eggs with a little bit of science. What do you guys think? All right, now before you get started, mommies and daddies need to help get you all the stuff ready before you even start. Because should we ever do science without all of our equipment? No way. All right, so for this science experiment, you're going to need quite a few things. First things first, you're going to need a few of these babies. You're going to need some hard-boiled eggs. Now in my house, all I had right now was brown, so I'm going to try this science experiment with brown. If you're able to, or if you have white eggs, those are better because they'll show the color a lot more. But I said, hey, science experiments are all about trying and seeing if it works, and sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't, right? We know that from the science experiments we've done in my class, right? Awesome. All right, so you need eggs. Make sure they're hard-boiled. Mommies and daddies will do that part because should kids ever use fire in the stove without mommies and daddies? No way, Jose. The next thing that you're going to need is you're going to need some dishes to mix colors up in. So we have a couple dishes. We also are going to need some tall glasses to put liquid in. We need some different, we need either a half a tablespoon or a tablespoon measurer, and then just a couple different stirring spoons, and you're going to need something for the very end to take the egg out. I wish I had one of those really cool wire egg lifters, but I don't. I have to use what's in my house right now. So I'm going to try it with a fork. We'll see how that goes later. Now, some of the main things that you really need to are going to be white vinegar and baking soda. And of course, a little bit of color. You can use any color you want. It could be watercolor or food color. Either one will work. I grabbed some brushes to help me paint. You'll see that step when it comes. And of course, this can get messy, so we want to do it in a space that's easily to clean up, maybe on the patio or something like that. And also, you should wear something that you don't mind if you get dirty, because we all know that when kids play and do all the great things, they might get dirty, right? So just to be extra safe so nothing spills, I also have like a tray with an edge so that it doesn't like leak too much. All right, so now let's get started. First step is we're gonna take our little dishes, and this is where you're gonna choose how many colors you want to do and what colors you want to do for your eggs. I decided I'm gonna do 3. So I have pink, purple, and turquoise, 3 of my favorite colors. And how you start is you get your dishes out. You're going to get your tablespoon. And kiddos, you guys get to measure this part. You're going to get your baking soda. And you just want to put like 2 in each one. Okay, like 2. And this should be enough to dye quite a few eggs by the end of it. All right, so look, I have filled up my my cups with some baking soda. Now we're gonna add the color. You want to start slow, just a couple drops. Maybe mommy and daddy can help you with this. If you squeeze really hard, what do you think is gonna happen? Yeah, it might go everywhere, or it'll be too full. Just like when we're in class and we're doing art and we're gluing, do you remember what we do? Little dots, little squeezes. So we're going to do 2 dots in each to start. There's my purple. Let's do my pink. Sorry you guys can't see this. I will show you. Remember, the teacher always shows you. All right. So now I've put some color in the baking soda. You're going to take one of your stirrers And you're going to start mixing it up and get that color mixing around. And if you need to, you can add a little bit of water, not too much. You're going to start by taking just little drops of water to try to help it kind of mix together. And you want to mix it until it becomes a nice paste. And you'll know it'll be kind of like a goopy goop. That's what we're looking for, okay? Let's keep stirring. All right, we're just gonna keep stirring and stirring it up, and pretty soon it's gonna make almost like a paint. It's gonna be a little bit watery, and it shouldn't be all water though. It has to have a little bit of a goopiness to it. Okay, I did my pink. Now here's my purple. Nice. All right, well, the next step is really fun. You get to paint your eggs now. And in order to do that, you can use paintbrushes. I find that's probably the easiest way. So you hold one of your eggs. Now you're probably going to get dirty on your hands, and that's okay, because when we have fun, we get dirty, right? All right, I'm going to start by using my turquoise. You're going to get your paintbrush, and you're going to get it on there, and you just want to paint it all around however you want. You can do it everywhere, or you could pick a design. You can even draw something, maybe a face or a bunny. We're going to cover our egg in the color that you want. Once you practice doing this a couple of times, if you want to do different colors all at once, you could try that. But for now, let's just do one color. All right. All right, my egg is all painted. Now for the fun part. Are you guys ready for the science? All right, we're going to take our big glass and we are going to, I'm going to clean off my hands a little bit. We're going to get the white vinegar now. We're going to put it in, we're going to fill up the glass, but not all the way. We just want to fill it until it's a little bit bigger than an egg. And now you got to do this very gently. Are eggs like delicate or are they really strong? They're kind of delicate, right? They could break if you just drop them in there. So you're going to use your egg tool if you happen to have an egg tool, or a spoon or a fork, and you're going to help, and we're going to slowly drop it inside. Are you ready? Whoa, take a look at that! It's fizzing, it's bubbling. I wonder what's going to happen. I can't wait to see it. Let's try another color while this one sits. All right, I'm going to take another glass. We're going to fill it up just a little over the amount of an egg. All right, this time, be careful. It's a little bit messy. That's why we talked about doing it outside or somewhere safe, right? All right, I'm going to do my pink now. So I'm going to grab an egg, and I'm going to get my pink color. And we're going to paint this egg. Ooh, I love pink. What's your guys' favorite colors? Oh, I like those too. I'm almost done. All right. Look, I have my whole egg covered. Now, we're going to slowly add it. Whoa, take a look at that. Awesome. All right, let's do our last one now. Whoa, guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how these turn out. Especially since I'm using a brown egg and not a white egg. I wonder if we'll even see the color. Remember, with a science experiment, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, and that's okay. All right, now we're getting some purple on my egg. Whew, guys, I'm getting really excited. I can't wait to see what these eggs look like. You could also just roll them in the paint if you want, whatever works best for you. Mommies and daddies are really good about helping with that. So don't forget to ask them. All right, we have a purple egg painted. Now we're going to get our vinegar again. There we go. Look at that. All right, here we go. Let's see. Whoa! That's amazing. I used a really tall glass so it doesn't bubble out, but you could always use one that's a little bit shorter so it could be like a volcano. All right, I think my green egg's probably done. Should I check it? All right. Oops, sorry. All right, let's see. Whoa! Take a look at that. It kind of is green and it has kind of like bubbles on it. Take a look at that side. That's so awesome. And you know what? I bet it would look even cooler on a white egg. You'd really be able to see all the color. But with my brown egg, you kind of get to see, you see all those bubbles that it made on it? Ooh, this is so pretty. Now I'm going to take a look at my pink one. I like this one. Yes, look at that. Look at that one. You see all the bubbles? Ooh, it's all fizzy and pink. I love it. I love that one. All right, let's check our purple now. Oh, guys, look at this one. Look at that. Nice purple, and you could see all those bubbles. I love it. Now, after you practice some, you could try it. You don't have to get rid of these yet. If they start not bubbling so much, then it's time to put some more vinegar, but you can use them until they stop bubbling. I think I'm going to take my turquoise egg, and I'm going to try adding a little bit of purple to it and see what happens. There's my purple. I think I'm not going to put it all over. I'm going to put it like in spots. Let's see what happens. All right. Are you ready? I'm going to drop it in. And look, it's fizzing again. I can't wait to see how that one looks. Now let's take my purple. I think I'm going to add a little pink to my purple one. But remember, I'm doing it in spots. I'm not doing it all over. There goes that one. All right. Now my pink one gets a little turquoise. And remember, you can do as many colors as mommy and daddy say you can do, right? All right, here we go. Whoops, that one went a little fast, but it's okay. See, there it goes. All right, let me see what my first one looks like that I did the turquoise with the purple. Whoa, look at that, guys. It has a really cool bubbles, and you can see like the purple marks that I put. I love it. Let me check my pink one. This is such a fun new way, a science way to dye eggs because, ooh, Ooh, that one, the purple and the pink are really cool. Can you see all my bubbles on there? The great thing about this is it's fun. You're dyeing your Easter eggs, but it's also science because we get to see what the reaction is between, who remembers what this stuff is? Vinegar. And who remembers what that white stuff is we did in the very beginning? Baking soda. Those two, when they mix, they like to erupt like a volcano. And we got to try that on eggs. I'm so excited. I can't wait to do all my Easter eggs, and then I get to hunt for them and see what the Easter Bunny brings me. And I can't wait to hear what all of you guys get to do and try on Easter and with your family. And please, please, please let us know how that Easter egg dyeing is going. And if you give this experiment a try, oh, I want to see. I hope you guys have so much fun. Happy Easter.